How to claim and optimize your Google directory listing. The first step is to go to this URL right here, google.com/business, and that'll bring you to this page. And if you already have a Google or a Gmail login, you can sign in here. If you don't, you can click Start Now, and then you'll be prompted to sign in or to create an account. So let's see that. I click More Options, and it says Create an Account. Then you can create a Gmail account. It's a Google account that gives you a Gmail account as well. And everything goes into that. You log into that. No, that's a personal Google account because it's asking for your name, your email address, and so on. It's pretty quick and easy to sign up for. It doesn't mean you're forced into using Gmail for email, but you do need to have a Google account for claiming your Maps listing, your Google directory listing. Once you've done that, you will be presented with a screen like this. I'm still in the business.google.com website, and then you can search for your business. Okay, and if you see it show up, you would click on it, and then you can go through and fill in the information if it's not already there, and continue on and claim. Basically, this will allow you to claim your business. And when during the process of claiming, at the end of claiming your business, you'll have to verify that you own the business. So you'll either get a phone call or a postcard with a code, and then you'll enter that, and then you will be verifying to Google that you own that Google directory listing and that you own the business. Now, if you're not there, then you can create one, and you would go through the verification process. So that's the URL you need to go to, business.google.com, and Google will walk you through. That's the first step. You've got to get control of it. Now I'll show you an example of some Google directory listings that have been claimed and that have not been claimed. So I just went to Google and typed in insurance agent, and I see the map here. These are Google directory listings that correspond to the map. And if I click More Places, then it flips me over to the map view. I could have gotten here as well just by going to Maps on the top. Basically the same information. And now as we look through these things, if we click on them, it brings up the details. Notice this one says claim this business. That means there is an existing directory listing for this business, but the owner of the business has not claimed it and verified it. Okay, we'll go back to results, look at another one. This one just says suggest an edit. It doesn't say claim this business. So this one has been claimed, and so this business owner has claimed it and has updated it. And you want to claim it because then you can put in your own photos and your own information, and usually an unclaimed listing won't have the complete information, and it might even have incorrect information. So it's very important to claim it and fill it in with the right information. And so you can see how important it is to be showing up higher up when someone is searching for your type of business. There's only 3 that show here. If I go to Maps, you'll see more. On a smartphone, it's similar to this. It's the same information. So if you want your listing to be showing up higher, you need to claim and verify your directory listing, plus you need to get some reviews. And these 2 are not on the top, but there's other variables at play as well. But these 2 probably wouldn't be this high if they didn't have reviews. So having reviews helps you get up higher in the search results. And I'll show you how to get reviews. All right, if you go to this URL right here, it will give you the information about creating a link that you can give to people when you ask for a review. And here's the page that that link goes to. And it has the instructions right here. Okay, and it's pretty simple. We'll go through it right here, right now. It says go to the API, enter your business information, click your business name in the list, and your place ID will appear. So let's try it. I click this, and I'm going to enter a business location. Here's my business here. And notice this place ID. If I double click that, actually I need to, I didn't get the whole thing. I got to copy the whole thing there, the whole place ID. Right click, copy. And then you'll see how we are supposed to put this in a link. So this will be the link with the place ID going into there. Okay, and then there's the place ID, and the rest of it is here. And we take this out, and that's it. So that's the link, just as in the example right here. There's no quotes around it. It's just like that, place ID equal, and then your place ID. Now watch what happens when if I copy this link. I gotta get it all. There we go. Copy, and if I go up here and paste it in the browser, it comes up with this, and I'm right there to give a review. And you can ask your customers to give you a review. All they got to do is click on a star 1 through 5, and then they can write comments, and they can even add a picture. It's really easy for them to do. And you can send this link in an email, or you can put it on your website and put it behind a button so people can just click the button and it'll bring them right there, and they'll be able to do a review. Now, a little tip: don't send this to unhappy customers. Only send it to customers that you're confident you'll get a good review from, because then you'll get better reviews. You don't want 1-star reviews, you want 5-star reviews. So always send it to your happy customers. If you want to send an email out to unhappy customers and ask them how you could do better service or provide better products for them, that's good. But don't ask them to do a Google review if they're not happy with your products or services, of course. Kind of goes without saying, but that can make a big difference, because you like to get stars. See, I've got a 5-star. I've only got 3 reviews, but I got 5 stars from each of them. So that's good to keep that rating up high. And if your rating gets low for some reason, then if you go after more, there's nothing you can do to erase it, but you can go after more 5-star reviews to get your rating to improve, so it averages out higher. So when I click on my Google directory listing here for my web design business, I can see I've got the reviews here, and I've added photos, I've added my phone number, my website, and what you should do is go in and fill in all of that information. And again, you would be doing that from this area here where you control your listing. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.